Some advice if you are thinking about trying affiliate marketing. The power of affiliate marketing is something that has helped numerous individuals achieve a level of success they never thought possible. The best way to fulfill your potential in this realm is to learn as much as you can about solid strategies and techniques. By using the tips and advice in this video, you will be equipped with some of the necessary strategies to succeed in the affiliate marketing world. Certain affiliate marketing programs pay off when website visitors go to an advertiser's site and take action. Typically registering or providing contact information, these pay-for-sign-up programs pay better than pay-per-click setups, although of course the webmaster will not see as many payments as he or she would with pay-per-click. Nevertheless, the higher pay makes these programs attractive to many website owners. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. It is best to hide purchase links to an affiliate's product a few pages deep in a website. This cushions the casual visitor from hard sell techniques and ensures that visitors who find the affiliate link do so because they have a genuine interest in the product. The pages leading to the product link should encourage this interest. Affiliate marketing has provided many individuals with the sort of freedom of which they never dared dream. The critical step in achieving such success is to gain a thorough education in the proven methods of sound affiliate marketing. With a determination to apply these suggestions with attention to detail, you can join those who have made a success of it. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.